Today, I'm showing you 5 kitchen tools you can't live without. These tools will shake up how you cook. They'll help you make your morning coffee just right and cook your dinner. These tools will change everything. Instant Pot Duo 6-quart multi-use pressure cooker. The Instant Pot Duo 6-quart multi-use pressure cooker has a positive impact on your kitchen setup. It takes the place of many kitchen tools. You can use it to pressure cook, slow cook, saute, steam, and even make yogurt. This means it adds value to any kitchen because it combines the functions of many appliances into one. It helps you save time and space in your kitchen, which comes in handy on busy nights when you need to cook meals fast. Also, its easy-to-use interface and different cooking options let you cook many types of dishes without much effort. Thermapen ONE Instant Read Thermometer. The Thermapen ONE Instant Read Thermometer gives you an accurate reading in just 1 second, making sure your meat cooks every time. This thermometer stands out for its lightning-quick speed and accuracy, delivering trustworthy temperature readings in no time. It boasts a screen that spins 360 degrees and a bright backlight, so you can see it from any angle even when it's dark. Its tough, waterproof build means it can handle the wear and tear of everyday kitchen use. With a 5-year warranty, you can count on this thermometer to be a lasting addition to your kitchen toolkit. Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine. The Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine has a user-friendly design and helps you make great espresso at home. Its small size means it fits well on any counter without hogging space. It's also cheap, giving you pro-level espresso for much less than cafe gear. The machine has an auto milk frother, so you can whip up smooth, creamy foam for lattes and cappuccinos. Thanks to its quick warm-up and exact temp control, you can enjoy top-notch coffee right in your kitchen. OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. The OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer helps you to slice avocados with its 3 functions. You can have, pit, and slice avocados without bruising the fruit. The plastic blade cuts through the avocado skin and fruit, while the pitting tool removes pits when you twist it. The fan blade then cuts the fruit into even slices and scoops them out to serve. This tool is simple to use and clean, so it saves time in the kitchen. Microplane Premium Zester. The Microplane Premium Zester grates citrus zest, spices, and hard cheeses to perfection. Its sharp blades, made of surgical-grade stainless steel, create fine wispy gratings without tearing or shredding. This zester has durability and ease of use, making it popular with professional chefs and home cooks alike. It has an influence on dishes by adding intense flavor with just a small amount of zest, improving everything from vinaigrettes to desserts. What's more, you can clean it in the dishwasher, and it has a comfortable non-slip handle to use and clean. There you go, 5 kitchen tools that will boost your cooking skills. Do you own any of these gadgets already, or do you plan to buy one? Tell me in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to get more kitchen advice and hacks. With that, thanks for tuning in. See you next time.